Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up the Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender using the WPS method. It's a simple and hassle-free way to boost your Wi-Fi coverage without accessing any setup portal or complicated configurations. Let's begin. Start by unboxing your Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender. Inside, you'll find the extender unit, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. Carefully check that all items are included and in good condition before proceeding with the setup to avoid interruptions. Now, connect your Wi-Fi extender to a power outlet. Choose a location halfway between your main router and the area needing better Wi-Fi coverage for optimal performance. Once plugged in, wait for the power LED to light up, signaling it's ready for setup. Next, head to your main router and locate its WPS button, usually positioned on the back or side panel. This button is essential for initiating a secure connection between your router and the extender during the setup process. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. This activates WPS pairing mode, allowing the router to securely connect with the extender. You may notice a blinking light indicating the pairing process has started. When the WPS light on your router begins blinking, return to the extender and press its WPS button for about 5 seconds. This action initiates the pairing process, enabling the extender to connect securely to your router's network seamlessly. The Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender will now begin connecting to your router. During this process, the WPS LED on the extender will blink to indicate activity. Once the connection is successful, the LED will turn solid, confirming the setup. After a successful connection, the extender's LED light will turn solid green, signaling it's ready to use. You can now unplug the extender and relocate it to an optimal position for enhanced Wi-Fi coverage, ensuring it remains within the router's range. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, our team of expert professionals is available to help you every step of the way. Don't hesitate to reach out for support or guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for immediate assistance. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender using the WPS method. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and let us know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.